Well, today, prosecutors and defense attorneys will have their final chance to persuade the jury in Sean Combs' sex crimes trial. This after more than 6 weeks of testimony, much of it very graphic and difficult to hear.
Lawyers on both sides spoke with the judge late into the night about the instructions the jury will receive. Eyewitness News reporter Kemberly Richardson has been following every step of this trial. She joins us from the federal courthouse in Lower Manhattan with the latest. Kemberly.
Well, a man who would not take no for an answer and use fear to get he won. Also power and violence. That's how prosecutor Christy Slavic began closing arguments here this morning, saying Sean Combs was the head of, quote, Sean Enterprise, which used a small army of employees to cater to his every whim. Today, Combs' family is once again back here in the courtroom, one of the largest shows of support since the trial began May 12th. For the first time in a while, his twin daughters are here. The government is hoping to convince jurors that 55-year-old used his wealth and clout to coerce and manipulate women into unwanted sex, specifically two ex-girlfriends, Cassie Ventura and a lady who testified under the name Jane. Prosecutors maintain Combs, with the help of those in his inner circle, organized sometimes days-long drug-fueled sex parties called freak-offs. The gatherings also allegedly involved paid male escorts that were brought in from all over the country. Prosecutor Slavic very carefully and meticulously dove right into the 5 counts Combs is facing, starting with the one jurors may struggle with. Count 1, racketeering, which the government said jurors probably heard of with regards to the mafia. Slavic made it a point to draw a direct line back to what she called Combs' Enterprise, simply a group who committed crimes to serve Combs. Her choice of words was strategic, calling those in his inner circle, quote, loyal lieutenants and foot soldiers. Slavic said she is delivering a roadmap, listing the crimes Combs is charged with and how it all fits together and shows he is guilty. This is week 7. 34 prosecution witnesses took the stand, none for the defense. Combs did not take the stand, but he has all along maintained that he is innocent, that any sexual encounters were consensual. The prosecution is expected to take about 4 hours today, delivering their closing arguments. The defense tomorrow, about 3 hours, followed by a rebuttal. The judge then will give the jury instructions for the next step, deliberations. For now, we're live in Lower Manhattan. Kemberly Richardson, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
All right.